Hi, it's George from Chris Coffee Service. We're going to talk about the new Bonavita variable temperature electric kettles. The 1 liter is of course the gooseneck. The 1.7 traditional spout with a flip top and a water indicator. Operation is easy. Turn on. You can preset a temperature or adjust it by holding down the buttons. Once you have your temperature set, press the button and it begins. Well, for the purposes of the video, it's taken about 3 minutes or so to get up to temperature. You can elect to hold the temperature right now at 205 or pick up your kettle and start your pour. For more information, just visit our website, chriscoffee.com, and look up the Bonavita variable temperature electric kettles.